Thank you for visiting the City of Columbus Division of Parking Services. In this guide, we will go over how to obtain and use guest passes. What exactly is a guest pass? It is a single-use code that allows a customer to pay a flat rate for 24 hours of parking via the Park Columbus mobile app. This means that the guest does not have to pay the hourly rate associated with that district and can park for 24 hours instead of what is noted on the posted signs. They are valid only in the Park Columbus zones within your residential district. For example, if my residential address is in District SNA, then my guests may use guest passes only in the Park Mobile zones that exist within District SNA. You may store up to 25 guest passes on your portal account for use at any given time. Once requested, they are available for use immediately. First, log into your Park Columbus portal account by visiting www.parkcolumbus.com. Then, select the option Manage Your Parking Permits. Enter your customer portal credentials to log in. If you have yet to create your portal account, please select Create an Account and see our guide about how to establish your account. If you have purchased a guest permit, you have access to request and use guest passes. Once logged in, select the option Guest Permits and Passes, then Request Guest Passes. You may request and store up to 25 guest passes on your account at any time. They can be used concurrently. For example, if you are having a party and you wish to give each of your guests a code, they can use them when they park. The request process takes place immediately, so you do not have to wait for any approvals. Simply select the quantity you wish to have. If you already know the email address for each of your guests you wish to assign these to, you can put their email address information in here and they will receive the guest pass code and the information on how to use it via email. If you do not know the email addresses, that's no problem. You can leave it blank and you can always access these via the View My Guest Passes page. Now, select the option View My Guest Passes. Here, you can see any available unused guest passes, as well as those that you have used on your account before. If you see that the code has plate information assigned to it, that means it was used already. And on the right, you can see this parking start and end dates. If there is no plate information or parking start and end information, that means that this code is currently available to be used. You'll see at the top of the page it also indicates how many unused available guest passes you have. To use a guest pass, open the Park Columbus mobile application. Select or search for the zone number in which you are parked. You will be prompted to enter a code. Go ahead and enter the guest pass code. This will allow you to park directly for the maximum parking time, which is 24 hours at a flat rate. Click Continue. Here you have the option to change your payment method or to change the plate with which you are parking. Click Start Parking. This guest is now validly parked in the selected Park Mobile zone. It updates immediately in your customer portal as well to display the information related to that parking session.